Do you want to visit and taste the top restaurants of Las Vegas? Lip Smacking Foodie Tours hosts award-winning food tours in Vegas with visits to the top restaurants on the Strip or downtown. Guests receive immediate seating, VIP service, with 3 or 4 signature dishes at every restaurant plus a guided walking tour packed with insider information on Vegas and the sights along the way. We tour Vegas' most highly acclaimed restaurants in one outing. Many restaurant signature dishes are prepared by award-winning chefs, including VIP seating and service. Each stop is a unique dining adventure designed for the ultimate in fun and interaction. The mouths behind Lip Smacking Foodie Tours love food, eating, dining and the complete restaurant experience. Thank you for watching our video. Now please click the link in the description below and satisfy your craving of the ultimate taste of Las Vegas. Thank you for watching and speak soon.